Snow's coming off 50 foot off the top of the mountain. Woo. It's whipping. A blizzard coming in. Christmas 2020, gonna dump another couple feet in the next few days. Here at Carson Pass, looking south towards Kirkwood. With my intrepid girlfriend, Jenny. Intrepid traveler, swim partner, back at home. Welcome to Carson Pass. May you find some snowshoes and come here someday. It's beautiful. Feels strong like Iceland. Or get some skis. They got fish scales underneath. They're fun. Ooh, here we go. This is where in the spring this ground roars. It has sound in the ice with each other. Look at that, Jenny. Hands getting cold. Ooh, it's blowing like 30, 40. That's the north side of Carson. Jennifer's like her 10th year on skis. Alrighty, that was a little snow blizzard tornado time.